Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, salut, hi, bienvenue, welcome to la Belgique, Belgium. Ça va? Ça va très bien? Ça va bien? Comme si comme ça va mal ou ça va très mal? Moi, ça va mal parce que il pleut. Don't forget that if you enjoy this video, please give it a like and merci beaucoup. Thank you so much everybody, because this morning I found out that we have hit 1,000 subscribers. So un grand merci. Thank you so much everybody who has subscribed. I really hope that you have laughed while you've learnt a lot of French. And if you're yet to subscribe, please feel free to hit the button below. Let's warm up our brains with a little bit of mathématiques. First up, 60 plus 1 égale 61. Très bien. Next up, 60 plus 4 égale 64. Bravo. And for the last one, 60 plus 8 égale 68. Merveilleuse. Now we're going to skip over our phrase of the day and go straight to our Ooh la la vocab. Ce sont les euros. These are euros. Ooh la la. In today's Ooh la la vocab, we're going to learn some pronouns and how to use them with the verb être, which means to be. Now that sounds really boring, so to make it a little bit more interesting, je vous présente, I'm going to introduce you to mon père, my dad, ma mère, my mum, and mon ami, my friend. Ooh la la vocab numéro 1 means he is. Écoutez 6 fois. Listen 6 times. Il est. Il est. Il est. Il est. Il est. Il est. Répétez. Il est. Il est. Il est. Il est. Il est. Il est. Next up we have she is. Écoutez 6 fois. Elle est. Elle est. Elle est. Elle est. Elle est. Elle est. Répétez. Elle est. Elle est. Elle est. Elle est. Elle est. Yeah, I know you did all your acting in Elle. You don't need to show off about it. Our third Ooh la la vocab is they are. Écoutez 6 fois. Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont. Répétez. Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont. Now, ils sont can refer to a group of both boys and girls. It can refer to a group of just boys, like moi et mon père. But if you want to say they are for just a group of girls, you have to say, écoutez 6 fois, elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Répétez. Elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. So now it's time for which one's missing? As per usual, I will help you with the first 3. First up we have il est, elle est, ils sont, and elles sont. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said elle est. Next one, we have elle est, ils sont, elles sont, and il est. Which one's missing? fantastic if you said il est. Next one, we have ils sont, elles sont, il est, and elle est. Which one's missing? Magnifique if you said ils sont. Next one, and you are on your own. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said elles sont. Next one. Which one's missing? Merveilleuse if you said il est. And the last one. Which one's missing? Très bien, fantastique et merveilleuse if you said elle est. Let's move on to our sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. Now in today's sensational sentences, we're going to combine what we learnt aujourd'hui with some ooh la la vocab from other videos like French family and French jobs. We'll have 6 sensational sentences and I will help you with the first 2. First up, how would you say he is my dad? Répétez, il est mon père. Il est mon père. Très bien. Next up, how would you say she is my mum? Répétez, elle est ma mère. Elle est ma mère. Bravo! See if you can do these jobs by yourself. How would you say he is a baker, a boulanger? Très bien if you said il est boulanger. Next up, how would you say she is a doctor, médecin? Bravo if you said elle est médecin. Next, how would you say they are teachers, professeurs? Magnifique if you said ils sont professeurs. And for the last one, how would you say they, as in just women, are hairdressers, coiffeurs? Un grand bravo, très bien et merveilleuse if you said elles sont coiffeurs. And now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. Now in English we usually refer to objects, food and things as it. But did you know in France everything is either a boy or a girl, masculine or feminine? For instance, the garden is masculine, the house is feminine, the cake is masculine, the cherry is feminine, and my favourite, the problem is masculine, the solution is feminine. Let's move on to our song of the day. Today's song of the day is by Soprano featuring Vincenzo and it's called Le Couche. It's a bit of a fitness video and you might even recognise some words like les squats. But notice that the first 2 words of the chorus are il est. Let's finish off today with our challenge time. Today I'm going to challenge you guys to draw or find pictures of your favourite man, woman, group and group of girls. For instance, my man could be Stromae, my woman could be Michelle Obama, my group could be Belgium's starting 11 football team, and my favourite group of girls could be Little Mix. Then underneath write il est, elle est, ils sont, and elles sont. If you fancy, you could even put something after il est, such as il est chanteur, he is a singer. And if you have an adult's help and permission, feel free to tweet your work to the hashtag FrenchWithMrInnes, and I will do my best to get back to you from my account at FrenchMrInnes. So, bonne chance, and I can't wait to see some of your magnifique work. That is everything for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. But for now, à bientôt and au revoir! I just filmed half of this video and realised that the microphone wasn't working! 61! No, that was rubbish. 68! Ah, doorbell. Bad timing. With what we've learnt. Hey. Boulanger! No, hang on, boulanger. They are.